Understanding clutch play in sports and beyond. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video. We're going to explore a very interesting phrase often used in sports, but also in everyday life: clutch play. Whether you're a sports fan or not, understanding this phrase will enrich your English vocabulary and help you grasp the nuances of English expressions. The term clutch play originates from the world of sports. It refers to a moment when an athlete performs exceptionally well under high pressure, usually in a critical part of the game. It's that crucial point where the game can be won or lost, and the player comes through with an outstanding performance. Think of a basketball player scoring the winning basket in the last seconds of the game. That's a classic example of a clutch play. Let's break down the term. Clutch, in this context, means crucial or critical. It implies a high-pressure situation. Play refers to an action or performance in a game. So, when combined, clutch play means a critical performance or action under pressure. While clutch play is predominantly a sports term, it has found its way into everyday language. It can describe any situation where someone performs exceptionally well under pressure. For example, if a student delivers an excellent presentation despite being very nervous, you could say they made a clutch play. To help you understand better, here are a few examples. The quarterback's touchdown was a real clutch play. She made a clutch play in the meeting by proposing a solution everyone agreed on. We hope this video has helped you understand what clutch play means and how you can use it in different contexts. It's a versatile phrase that captures the essence of performing well under pressure, whether in sports or in life. Keep practicing your English, and don't forget to use clutch play when the moment is right. See you in the next video.